Go. You got stop. You got to tell everybody. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
It's raining.
It's raining.
And we're at a show.
We're at the show.
And we can't have no show.
We can't have a show.
What else you want to tell them? No, you know they can't. Okay. Alright, sing your theme song.
I'm doing my beats.
Okay, do it. Do it. Sing your theme song. Oh, no.
He won't say it.
Eating pizza. Now look, part of your job you got to be able to sing.
I know. Liz is doing all the work.
It can't do all the work. You got to put words to it.
Pizza all night long.
All night long. All night long.
Pizza.
At Pizza Hut. All night long. All night long. All night long. Eating pizza at Pizza Hut. All night long. All night long. Alright, are you done yet?
Eating pizza all night
You want to use your drum? You want to do your drumming?
You know what? It's hard trying to get you in that, all that in there. That in? Tell everybody bye.
I promise I'm not contagious. But usually after I get sick,